What if we told you that a calming cup had the key to lowering inflammation, enhancing your immune system, and even avoiding cancer? In your kitchen, unleash the power of one of nature's best-kept secrets. As we unveil the science behind turmeric milk, we're going to dig into the realm of a potent beverage that has been stoking the wellness sector and has scientists buzzing with enthusiasm. Interested and curious? Remain tuned. Prepare yourself to discover the secret to a better life after this brief introduction. Just a friendly reminder that the information in this video is only intended to serve as educational material and is not a substitute for consulting a licensed healthcare professional. The first benefit is that it improves immunity, so let's start our countdown there. The magic starts with the bright yellow spice. Curcumin is the star of the turmeric show, according to a 2017 study that was published in the Journal of Clinical Immunology. It has considerable anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that directly assist the improvement of your body's immune responses. But wait, there's more to turmeric than just the chemical termerone, curcumin. Research published in the journal Pharmacology in 2018 showed that it can strengthen the immune system, despite being frequently eclipsed by curcumin. More than 200 additional active chemicals in turmeric can also help to strengthen the immune system. One of these substances is a component of turmeric essential oil, which has been shown to have immunomodulatory effects in a study published in the year 2020 in the journal Biology and Pharmacotherapy. But milk contains other healthy ingredients than turmeric. According to a 2016 review article published in Biochemistry and Cell Biology, drinking turmeric milk on an empty stomach is like giving your immune system a supercharged combination of health-improving compounds. A strong immune system is your best line of protection, so why not start your day with this simple yet effective immune-boosting routine? Secondly, it enhances cardiac health. Now, many of the components in turmeric, including curcumin, termerone element for anodienicordione, bisaccharone, and others, start to function when you drink warm turmeric milk on an empty stomach. Consider the fact that curcumin, also referred to as the superstar compound, has been the subject of countless studies in order to understand. For instance, a 2012 study reported in the Journal of Nutrition showed that curcumin improved cardiac function. Now let's explain the less well-known compound elemente. That mineral can relax blood vessels, according to a 2017 study, which may lower blood pressure and enhance heart health. In contrast, a 2015 study in PLOS ONE discovered that bisaccharone and curcumin, two more turmeric compounds, may have antiplatelet action. It's important to remember that drinking turmeric milk regularly benefits heart health since it prevents blood platelets from clumping together and lowers the risk of blood clots, which can result in heart attacks or strokes. The third advantage is a reduction in blood sugar. Have you ever questioned the rising popularity of turmeric in the health and wellness industry, a spice you most likely already have in your kitchen? The primary active component of turmeric, curcumin, has been extensively studied for its wealth of health benefits. It seems that curcumin is crucial for managing blood sugar levels. In studies, including one that was released in 2013 in the journal Diabetes Care, curcumin has been demonstrated to improve insulin sensitivity. This suggests that insulin can be used by your body to reduce blood sugar levels more effectively. Turmeric also includes compounds known as curcuminoids, one of which, bismethoxycurcumin, has been shown to enhance the uptake of glucose in our body's cells. It seems that curcumin is crucial for managing blood sugar levels. In studies, including one that was released in 2013 in the journal Diabetes Care, curcumin has been demonstrated to improve insulin sensitivity. This suggests that insulin can be used by your body to reduce blood sugar levels more effectively. Turmeric also includes compounds known as curcuminoids, one of which, bismethoxycurcumin, has been shown to enhance the uptake of glucose in our body's cells. The fourth advantage is that drinking this golden milk promotes the health of the brain. The primary benefit is a compound called curcumin, which is abundant in turmeric. The strong spice turmeric is made up of several bioactive compounds, including various curcuminoids and volatile oils, in addition to curcumin, which is not a lone ranger. Curcumin can help individuals with mild age-related memory loss by improving their mood and memory, according to a 2018 study published in the American Journal of Geriatric Psychiatry. Curcumin's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant qualities can halt oxidative stress and neuroinflammatory reactions, which are major causes of brain aging and neurodegenerative disorders. It might boost the generation of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BNF, although the ingredient curcumin, which promotes the growth of nerve cells, significantly enhances brain function. The body does not easily absorb it. This is where turmeric milk comes into play. Other components of turmeric, such as tamarone, are being researched for their possible neuroprotective qualities as well. It's not only about the curcumin. The milk protein casein can increase the bioavailability of curcumin, allowing more of this delightful golden substance to reach our brains. A study that was published in Stem Cell Research and Therapy in 2014 revealed that aromatic turmeric may encourage the production of neural stem cells, so bear that in mind while you enjoy your next cup of turmeric milk. The fifth and last, mood improvement. The powerful molecule curcumin, which is included in turmeric, is intriguing because it can pass the blood-brain barrier, which enables it to enter the brain and directly stimulate its cells. Let's not forget that turmeric milk contains milk. Tryptophan is one of the proteins found in milk, which is a food that is high in protein. Research from 2017 revealed that curcumin may have an antidepressant effect by raising levels of serotonin and dopamine in the brain. This research was published in the Journal of Affective Disorders. These neurotransmitters are responsible for our feelings of motivation and happiness. Since our bodies use tryptophan to generate serotonin, frequently referred to as the happy hormone, milk is a wonderful complement to curcumin. Bioavailability is an additional consideration, though. The piperine in black pepper has been shown to boost curcumin's bioavailability by 2,000%, despite the fact that curcumin is not easily absorbed by human bodies. A study like this one, which was published in the North America Journal in 2018, shows this. As a result, enhancing your turmeric milk with a sprinkle of black pepper can dramatically increase the benefits for elevating mood. Although turmeric milk is a fantastic ally in your quest to lose weight, keep in mind that it is not a panacea. Rather, it should be used in conjunction with a balanced diet and frequent exercise. From its anti-inflammatory properties, which may aid in managing various conditions, to its antioxidant-rich nature, which helps protect our cells from harm, turmeric milk truly offers a treasure trove of goodness. Keep watching our channel for more simple yet powerful ways to enhance your health. In my own kitchen, I'm going to ignite a health movement. Because every drop of health matters, please remember to like, share, and subscribe, as well as to drink your way to wellness.